Welcome to Kids and the Future, your go-to podcast for parenting insights and practical tips.
Join us in shaping a brighter future for our kids. Subscribe now and be part of the conversation. Hey there, parents. It's Sarah here, and today we're diving into the secret sauce behind your kids' success in language and literacy. Spoiler alert, it's called critical thinking, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Now, picture this, your little ones using all their brain power to compare and contrast things, to explain why things happen the way they do, and to evaluate ideas while tossing in their 2 cents. It's like watching mini detectives at work, understanding where others are coming from and maybe even predicting the future, well, not with a crystal ball, but close. So why should you care about this whole critical thinking business? Well, buckle up, because here's the lowdown. Imagine it's a two-way street. Critical thinking and language skills growing hand in hand. Suddenly, your kiddo becomes a wordsmith, casually tossing around phrases like because, rocking those if-then statements, and effortlessly flexing different verb tenses. Now, reading isn't just about decoding letters. It's like stepping into a detective story. Critical thinking lets them read between the lines, solving literary mysteries with their problem-solving skills, predicting what's next, and explaining it all with ease. And here's the fun part, this magic. It starts happening pretty early on. From those adorable babbling days to full-on sentences, your kids are ready for you, the MVP, that's you, the parent, caregiver, or educator, to join them on this adventure. Now, how do you become the critical thinking guru in your little one's life? Here are a few tricks of the trade. Whether you're diving into a storybook or just taking a stroll in the park, turn every moment into a critical thinking workout. Chat away, ask questions, and watch those little gears in their heads start spinning. Get cozy with the endless whys. Why is the sky blue? Why do dogs bark? Embrace the curiosity, it's the fuel that powers critical thinking. Make brainstorming a family affair. No idea is too wild. Let them dream up solutions to everyday problems. You might just be surprised at what they come up with. Games, puzzles, and riddles, the secret weapons in your arsenal. They make thinking fun, and your kids won't even realize they are working those critical thinking muscles. So, parents, here's the deal, you're the critical thinking coach in this grand adventure. Get ready for a journey filled with questions, ideas, and a whole lot of whys. Because trust me, your little genius is counting on you to guide the way. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Sarah, your host. Until next time, keep those critical thinking hats on, and happy adventuring with your little detectives. Thank you for joining us on Kids and the Future. Your dedication to shaping a brighter tomorrow for our kids means the world to us.
Until next time, thank you and goodbye.